So today I am at Khariabasti, which is located in the suburbs of Karsiang city of district Darjeeling, which is located in West Bengal. And I came here to visit my friend, but since the vote fever is going on, and so election is going on in West Bengal, so people are more busy in their work and election duties, so the roads are still empty, and still the construction is going on for this road, and probably in next 2 months, hope what the politicians have promised, this village will get a beautiful road ahead. So the road is pretty bad condition, but still the work is on, and it's like approximately at 1 kilometer walk, probably 1.2 kilometer walk from the main road where the vehicle has dropped me. And so you can see there, that's my childhood friend Pooja's house. So it's almost 2 years back I came here and we had a very good time. After that the lockdown thing was going on and I also didn't got much leaves. So this time I thought to pay him a surprise visit. So I'm here in this beautiful Kharia village of Kashyang. So the new road has been planned from here, and let's see if it can be made in time. But making roads in mountain, it's as well very difficult. But leave it that. Right now I'm very tired, so I just wish to have a hot cup of tea at Pooja's place. So Pooja has got one cat and two dogs, Jackie and Lassie. Probably they will be around here only. Hope they recognize me too. Auntie would be in the garden, I think. So I love this place. Like we all friends used to all come here on the weekends, and we used to spend a very good time. And so here's I'm at my friend's place. Hello, auntie. Lassie is here. Lassie. Lassie. Hi, Pooja. She's planted a lot of flowers, and she's planning to open a homestay above it. बकवास मत करे पहले नजर लगा देगा. And you can see beautiful view.
कल जब तू जाएगा वहां से रास्ते से बनाएगा.
Here is Jackie. Jackie has a bad fight few days ago, so he's a bit injured. Let's see. Ooh. दो तीन महीना हो गया. Right now I'm going to the forest. There is a temple in the forest. Yeah.
ये तेरा वीडियो बना देती तोड़ते हुए.
बच्चे हो।
ये भरता है फिर उसमें पानी आता है।
This is how people of Khare Basti of Karsyang take their water for their home. This is the main source for the water. There is a small spring coming through that cave.
लेकिन अभी ये पाइप का पानी कहीं देख भी तो ऐसे रेक्टेंगुलर है।
इधर से है ना?
नहीं, नीचे से, यहाँ से पानी बनाने का रास्ता सर। देख, तेरा वीडियो मैंने इतना अच्छा बना दिया, तू देखना, समझा?
काट दो यहाँ से फुटने तो दिखाता हूँ।
ये मधुमक्खी है पागल सब। वो वाला रेड फूल खींचना।
Few months ago there was a massive landslide here. The whole mountain slided down. So if you enjoy trekking, you can also enjoy this small trek which goes to a river down there, and you can watch a lot of birds. So there are like 2-3 trek routes are there. Little bit of like difficult youngsters will enjoy it. There is the village temple. So you can see this is the plant from which the broomstick of your houses are being made. Today I am at Khare village of Karsyang, district Darjeeling, state West Bengal. It's a beautiful offbeat location located 4-5 kilometers from the main city Karsyang, and Karsyang is well connected from New Jalpaiguri, Siliguri and Bagdogra, which are the prominent like drop points to come to North Bengal or Sikkim. And this place is not yet touched by commercial tourism, so it's still very peaceful, quiet, and you can enjoy a lot of bird watching. You can enjoy fishing in the Balasan River, and you can enjoy 2-3 days of peaceful stay. You won't get much good like fancy cafes or restaurants here, but you will get all is required for a peaceful stay, and people are really friendly. And this place is apart from that, Karshang city, which is mainly known as, it's a very old city, is also known as the land of orchids as well as land of mushroom schools. There are a lot of good schools of even British era still running here, and there are a lot of nice places that you can go to. St. Mary Church, or you can visit Dow Hill, the famous Dow Hill haunted church, and a lot of schools are there. There are many other places you can go around, and apart from that, I will tell you, visit this place. It's very offbeat location. Still, you can enjoy local foods, and you can go into the forest, enjoy the bird watching. And people are really nice. What I like about it, people are very friendly and very nice. Like yesterday there was election, and I was so amazed to see that it was a not very stressful situation what usually happens, like different parties creating a chaos. Here it was like a picnic kind of, or a celebration kind of thing in this village. And irrespective of whichever party you vote or you don't vote, it doesn't matter, you can cast your vote. But there were 2-3 places the cooking was happening, and people were just putting votes and meeting each other. People who are staying outside the village, they are also coming down and meeting each other, having a good time. So that, I think, we should learn that whichever party or politics you follow, but it should not hamper your friendship. You should not hamper your basic humanity. That we should learn from these people. And yesterday I was so amazed to see so very beautiful people here, and really good place. So I will tell you, if you wish to enjoy like offbeat locations, not very much commercialized, you can always come to visit Khare village. And this place is also very well connected to the rest of the tourist destinations of northern Bengal and Sikkim. Like Darjeeling is 1.5 hours from here, and Kalimpong you can also go, Sikkim, wherever you want to go you can go. So I particularly love this place because Karshang, my childhood I spent in Karshang, so Karshang is always close to my heart. And I really wish to stay here someday. So just off, what else to say, just come and visit. And if you need any kind of more information, comment me and I will try my best to help you out. And visit this place and enjoy. It's a really beautiful place. Thank you, have fun.